this fountain here. So I'm trying to get some visuals on that. Should be a quick flight, so enjoy. And we're on. Let's do a quick shot. Very windy today. Very windy today. We'll do a quick droning. Stop. Alright. 3. Trying another drone. 2. 1. I had to stop it because it got too low. So that was weird. It's very windy out here today, so I was having a hard time controlling the drone, but let's try boomerang. This one makes me nervous, so I'm gonna watch it. 3, 2, 1. It's really just a tree. Got clearance, I got plenty of clearance. Nice. Very cool. And then I'll try I'm gonna do rocket. And then I'll do I'm gonna do drone, then I'm gonna do rocket.
3, 2, 1.
Oh man. So I'm doing droning now. Oh, but not bad. And I'm gonna try rocket. Oh man. Note to self, bring correct equipment before doing this again. I do not have the right that. Love that. I'm gonna land and call it a day. Thank you for watching. This has been another Trade Adventure. Take a bow.